Hi, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the T-Dock Sebastian Inlet. I'm here with a good friend from work. Um, I call her Godina. Her name is Lily. They call her Lily. So say hi. Say hi to everybody. Hi, how are you? Yeah, so hopefully we get on a fish. I've never fished this dock, but we're going to do it today. And hopefully we get something good for you guys. So stay tuned. There. Come on. Come on. Nah, man, grilled snapper. Dang, grilled snapper. Let's see if it's a keeper one. No, I got it on video. Come on, be a keeper. Godina needs some fish. Oh wow. 9 3/4. Not a keeper. Gotta catch some keeper. Tú tiras eso primero y después metes un bait. Look at this yellowtail, guys. Unbelievable. Look at this, the Will